Hi everybody, Flavormake here, and today I'm going to be showing you my newest addition. Say hello to Grimlock. Yep, it's Grimlock. I did show it in another video of him hatching, but that video had a really weird ad in it, so I deleted the video. I just didn't want that ad. It was weird. Yeah, I have a potbelly in the hatchery now. In the nursery or whatever. Yeah, oh. Also added stuff to the composer island. Yeah, it's a rip headphone users. Hurry. 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 Yeah, I added one of these things. I don't know what it's called, and I also added a toe jammer. Yeah. I do want to do something though, like this compose. There. Instead of just one little bum. If you listen really carefully, you can hear the bum. Okay, that's really annoying. Yeah. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.